Have you ever wanted to take high-quality images and accurate measurements over a wider range? With the Lext OLS 4100, you can stitch together up to 615 images. Viewing samples in high magnification enables highly accurate observation and measurement. Setup is simple too. Select the intended magnification and necessary area, then a stitched image is acquired automatically. Even when the sample has a complex shape, just select the necessary image range to acquire the image in a short time. Things you can do with Lext.